Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Liz. You're welcome. For returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all so much. If you've not subscribed and if this video helps you in any way, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment in the comment section. I love you guys so much. You know, one of those reasons that makes people to just get up and cut their hair? Yes, I had one of that last week. So I got up, cut my hair, and it has been wonderful. So today I'm going to show you all how to curl your natural hair. It's very simple. So this is my hair without water, not moisturized. This is what it looks like. And right now I went into the bathroom, I poured water all over my hair. This is just my hair with water moisturized, because you have to moisturize your hair before you can curl it up. So right now I'm going to show you the back of my hair. This is what it looks like. This is just the overview of what my hair looks like before we start curling it up. So this is my bottle, my spray bottle with water and oil in it. So you know that the hair usually needs oil to make it, to improve its growth, right? So I'm just going to spray this water and oil on my hair and even everything out. So I'll be doing this by rubbing the water into my scalp with both of my hands. So I'm going to pick up this herbal natural healing ointment. I actually got this from my mom and it has been working for me. So lately I discovered that the middle of my hair is scanty and I usually have pains at that part of my hair. So since I cut my hair, I've been rubbing this herbal healing ointment, which is from Swissguard. So let's see how it works. I'm just going to apply that all over my hair, and this is the amount of ointment that I'm going to apply. I'm going to rub my hands together and then apply it all over my hair. This is going to improve your hair growth, and if you have an itching scalp, this is for you. So I'm going to pick up this Dax hair product. This actually helps to prevent hair breakage. You know, it helps in styling your hair. It's ideal for conditioning, and it has a blend of oils on it. It's going to help to improve your hair growth as well, and it's going to prevent breakage. So I'm going to pick this amount of the oil and I'm just going to apply it all over my hair like this. I'm just going to apply a generous amount all over my hair, the back of my hair, the front, you know, apply that, let it sink into the hair properly. So this is what my hair looks like at this point. This is what it looks like. Just blend that with your hands into your scalp to prevent itching, to prevent breakage. It's going to just make your hair to grow naturally nice and fine. So this at this point is what my hair is looking like. So this is where the magic comes into play. This Dalax leave-in conditioner, this is going to help me to curl my hair. It helps to reduce scalp problems. It moisturizes the hair. It also adds shine to the hair. It promotes healthy hair growth and is good for both natural and permed hair. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to continuously apply it into my palms and then rub it on my hair using the both of my hands. So you are going to continue rubbing and rubbing. You have to keep applying a generous amount of it into your palm and then all over your hair. You have to keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. When the curls start coming out, you're going to feel it in your palms because your hair texture is going to feel different. You're just going to feel that your hair is already coiling up in your palms. So this is actually the magic. This Dalax leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to keep applying and applying until I'm satisfied with what I have, until the curls make sense on me, like until I have what I have, until I'm satisfied and I'm good to go. So I'm just going to keep applying and applying. Make sure you apply a generous amount and make sure that it's equal at the middle of your head, the sides, and also at the back of your hair. Places that you want the curls to come out, just apply it all over. So I actually got all these products in Nigeria because I stay in Nigeria. I got these products in Nigeria, but if you don't have this and you have your Eco Gel styler, you could actually use that. Or if you have Cantu or Kinky Curl product is definitely going to work, but for me, I'm using this leave-in conditioner from Dallas, and it's amazing. It comes in a liquid form, and you just have to keep applying and applying and applying in your hair until you have what you want. So it took me about 10 minutes to get this into my hair to make the curls start popping. So as you can see, the curls are already coming out more defined than the way they were when I initially started. You can see the back of my hair, you can see what it looks like at the moment. The curls are already coming out because of this leave-in conditioner. So you just have to keep going and going and going until you feel that you're satisfied and good with what you have. So I'm just going to keep rubbing that into my hair like so that the curls can come out better. You can see at this point that there is a difference between when I started and right now. You can see that the curls are already coming out, and the drier it gets, the better and more defined the curls become. So when it starts drying off, you start seeing that your curls are already coming out better. So right now I'm going to pick up this gel activator from Sunny Peas. Is actually so good and nice, and I'm going to pick up this amount and rub that into my palms and rub it into my hair as well. I'm rubbing this just so that it can make the hair shine and so that it holds the hair together. And this also serves like a kind of moisturizer to the hair. It actually helps the hair to dry faster. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount of it into my hair like this. You can see that the curls are already popping. I'm just going to apply that all over my hair, and then for the edges I'm going to pick this up as well and apply it on the edges. So after applying a good amount of the gel all over my edges, I'm going to pick up a little comb, you know, the comb with teeth. I'm going to pick that up and start making baby hairs. So I'm just going to pick this comb. You can style in your preferred manner, in your preferred way. Just style it up anyhow you feel that it's going to come out fine. You can just swoop that and then make your baby hairs. As simple as that. Just style the way you feel is going to fit your face better. So once I'm done defining my baby hairs, I'm going to pick up a silk scarf and just cover my hair with it and leave it to dry for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to tie this on my head and leave it to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to go and come back again and then show you what the curls look like at this point. So this is it, guys. This is what it looks like, and I am so loving it. You can see that the curls are more defined and it's so beautiful, and I am loving my hair. I'm so loving my hair. You can see how the curls came out really super nice and beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If it has, please don't fail to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next video.